Hey ladies, it's Dr. Evans here from Sugarland Medical Spa. Today I'm going to be talking to you about what is the CO2 Lift V and how cool it is, okay? So as we age, I tell women all the time, aging kind of sucks, but it doesn't have to. As we age, we get a natural decline in blood flow to the genitalia. This can lead to something that's called vaginal atrophy, and that's basically what can lead to very painful intercourse. It reasons on why you have to use a lot of lubrication, or lubrication is not enough. It can be due to things like aging, again, lower levels of hormones, all those things like that. So what are some of the ways that you can actually help improve that vaginal tissue without resorting to hormones? And this is something that's really good, especially if you're someone who can't have hormones. You may not be ready for hormones, or various things like that, and you just want, give me a solution where it's kind of like an all-in-one, easy, something that I can actually do at home myself. Here goes the CO2 Lift V. This is based on carboxytherapy, and I know you're like, well, Dr. Evans, what actually is carboxytherapy? So carboxytherapy it's a really cool treatment. It's based on the Bohr effect, which basically means what you're going to do is you're going to trick your tissue into thinking that it doesn't have oxygen. So what happens? The tissue immediately opens up the blood flow to the area. As you open up the blood flow to the area, you can actually help increase moisture to the area. You can actually help increase sensation to the area too. I actually recently did a study on approximately 50 women, and we were actually able to prove that this is what was, what actually took place. So I'm really excited. So what exactly again is this, the CO2 Lift? What's actually in this kit? So I'm going to show you what's actually in the kit right now. So this is Lana. She's actually the creator of the CO2 Lift. Sweet as pie. Shout out to her for looking out for these ladies, okay? So this is the CO2 Lift kit, and what it contains is it has gels that are there, and what happens is when you mix these two gels together, you actually form carbon dioxide. It starts to release carbon dioxide to the tissue, and then you have applicators where you actually apply this actually into the vagina as well as on the exterior side. And then what happens again, it tricks your body, and then your body opens up the blood flow, and then you get an increase in moisture. So within this kit, there are 5 different treatments that are available. And again, this is an at-home kit. You would actually apply it to the inside, lower half of the vagina, as well as to the outside. You basically rub it in, you hold it on there for about 45 minutes, and then you can basically just wash it off. Over the course of a series of treatment for these, you'll actually see an increase in blood flow to the area, increase in sensation. And the coolest thing with this study is that, believe it or not, the guys could actually tell that there was something that was going on too. They actually reported back to their wives that, hey, I feel a difference. So to me, that's the most exciting thing too. I love my couples. I love it when they both feel better. I always say too, aging sucks, but again, it doesn't have to. So this is one way that you can kind of feel your best through the aging process. So take care. Visit us today, sugarlandmedspa.com, in order to find out more. Bye-bye.